Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today myself, Ajmal Zikri Bezamri, 01 DEP 23F 1008 will be presenting about vector and scalar. So about vector and scalar, this topic will be explaining about the basic operation of vector and scalar quantity, including their use in solving problems. This topic also explains the method of determining angle between two vectors as well as characteristics of triple vector and scalar product. So generally speaking, vector and scalar are fundamental concepts in mathematics and physics that describe quantity in different ways. Scalar are quantities that are fully described by their magnitude or size alone. They have no sense of direction associated with them. Examples of scalar include time, mass, temperature, and speed. Meanwhile, vectors, on the other hand, are quantities that possess both magnitude and direction. They are represented by arrow, where the length of the arrow indicates magnitude and the direction point toward the quantity's orientation. Examples of vectors included velocity, force, displacement, and acceleration. Understanding the distinction between vector and scalar is crucial in various fields, from physics and engineering to computer science and beyond. Scalar are used to quantify simple quantities, while vectors are vital in describing quantities that have both size and direction. These are the applications in game programming. Vectors play a significant role in game programming due to their ability to present various properties and transformations within a game environment. Here are some key applications. For the first one, position and movement. Vectors are used to represent position of objects within the game world. For instance, a 3D vector can store the position of a character or an object in space. They are also employed to manage movement by storing velocity, speed and direction, or acceleration. For the second, collision detection and physics. Vectors help in calculating collision between objects. By using vectors to represent position, direction, and velocity, gamers can simulate realistic physics such as bouncing off wall or calculating trajectory or projectile. For the third one, camera and view manipulation. Vectors define the orientation and position of the camera in the game. They are used to manage the view frustum, the visible area in the game, calculate perspective transformation, and determine what the player can see within the game world. And for the fourth one, animation and transformation. Vectors are used to define transformation like scaling, rotation, and translation movement of objects. They are instrumental in animating character or object by manipulating their vertical skull or skeleton. As for the example, find magnitude and unit vector for u equal 4i minus 7k. Of magnitude of u, we would get a square root 65, which is equal 8.062. Meanwhile, for unit vector of u, we would get 0.496i minus 0.868k.